Hello mga kapamilya, meron tayong magandang product dito. Itong magandang Bluetooth speaker. Pwede siyang indoor at saka outdoor. Sobrang ganda niya. Promise, sobrang heavy duty. Napakaganda ng quality, guys. Ang pangalan niya ay Kimisu KMS 251. Sobrang ganda niya. May kasama siyang dual mic, may kasama ng remote, may kasama ng charging cable, type C, may kasama pang strap, saka microphone holder. Subukan niyo na to guys, sobrang ganda nito, hindi kayo magsisisi as in. Ang ano niya, ang Bluetooth niya is 5.3, peak power niya is 100 watts, output power niya is 25 watts, saka yung battery capacity niya is 3600 mAh. Charging time niya is 1 to 2 hours, saka usage time niya is 4 to 7 hours. Ang sukat niya is 30 cm ang haba, tapos yung taas niya is 16 cm.
Bluetooth mode.
Lagay ko na sa comment section ng link. Salamat!
Starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do. I'm feeling inside again. 'Cause every time I look at you, and now we're starting